Hello, this is Alan McNabb with Image Building Web Design, and we're going to have a few tutorials here about the Flotheme's Illusion template. And this is a photography template, and we have this set up, and basically all that remains to do for the most part is just to add some text. So first of all, let me walk you through the back end just a little bit. We've already logged in, logged into the back end, and we are in the dashboard. We just click on Flothemes right there, and it's going to give us a lot of options here that that we can deal with. We can upload a logo, and notice it has the maximum size here. Of course, remember that's going to be on. You see it right here. Here we have it on black. So we've created a PNG for that, so that the background, the image, is transparent. And we've got white text there. So just remember what you're dealing with as far as your background goes there. We've got the favicon, and the one we're using there is 16 by 16. You've got some theme styles that you can choose here. We've got the right-click protection on, and we've got the preloader on, and we do not have the lazy loading image because we don't have a number of images there on the post, so not worrying there about that. The copyright here, you can put this in here, but it's much better. Let me go back over to the website. It's much better just to go and manually change the template, so you can get the copyright sign there. The date there is fixed so that it automatically changes, and so that's a manual change that we've done on the template. But if you didn't want to go that, just wanted to have your name there, you could just use this. Also, if you don't do the change on the template, it's also got a link to Flothemes, I think, there also. So we didn't want that. So we just went and modified the template just a little bit with that. All right, so we're back in the back end once again. You can change the fonts there, size, type of font. There's several to choose from there. Also layouts. You can have navigation on the top or on the side, and with this theme there's only one navigation option. You can choose where the nav is going to be with a home page, and then how these different pages, the blog, galleries, videos, etc. With the pages, you can choose the home page. We chose a blank. We chose an image there, and upload the image. And suggested to be 1400 by 900 just because it's going to stretch it out. But we've seen ones that look very good that aren't quite that large, and they look fine also. Just a few more options here with that can be chosen. As far as social media goes, you can put your social things in here, and then you've got the buttons that will appear on there for you. And we've got Google Analytics here. Just need the account number on that. All right. So we see here just these general things that we have. I'm also going to take you to plugins for 1 second, because with this we did have a couple of plugins that we added. One is limit login attempts, because WordPress is being attacked everywhere, and so this just helps with that. This is something that that's just recently happened. And then also we've got the magic zoom. We're using the plus here, so I'm going to go on while I'm in here, just delete the magic zoom, the regular one. Just going to delete that out of there. All right, we're using the next gen gallery. And the WordPress SEO, and the WordPress Super Cache. Now the next gen gallery, I want to go back over to the website. Excuse me, I clicked on the wrong thing there. On these pages where it's got a number of different things there, and it's got a number of pages, you see the zoom is on there, and you can move that around. You can click on that, brings up a large one. You can also move the zoom around. You can go forward or backward or close that, and then clip on a description, which will take you to a post. But anyway, this gallery right here, this gallery is a next-gen gallery, and that's how we're doing that. You cannot display something like this with the Illusion theme, so we're just using that plugin, which is the #1 gallery plugin for WordPress. So that's how we're doing that. We'll get to that on some other tutorials. But let me show you the cache for just 1 second. We go into settings, we go down to super cache, and I'm going to pause just for 1 second. Alright, we're back with you. I want to just show you the caching here. This is a great program for WordPress. Anyway, we left all of these. We're not using a CDN, that's Content Distribution Network, and we're not using that. We basically just kept all the default presets except for preload. We have enabled that. And with preload, it takes all the pages that you select, and we selected all posts here. And every 30 minutes, it creates static versions of it, so it's not always drawing down on the server to create the page every time someone clicks it. So if you do make a change to the site without turning this off, if you do make a change to the site, users that are not logged in may not see that change for 30 minutes. If you are a logged in user, such as an administrator or something like that, you can probably refresh, maybe dump the cache on your computer, and should be able to see that right away. Anyway, we'll do some more tutorials to get into doing some specific things here. We just sort of wanted to walk you around the back end of the Flotheme's Illusion template.